Today we're doing an unboxing video for the BioLite Carbon Campstove 2 Bundle. Okay, let's go ahead and unbox this thing. Comes with a nice carrying bag. This here is the FlexLight, USB powered, LED of course. The actual instruction manual for the Campstove 2 and warranty information. Oh, this is your fire starter. Comes with some. So we'll go and use this later on for the review, and a micro USB cable. This is the KettlePot. Sure looks like it, or maybe not. I think everything fits. Ah, there, that's right. The actual unit, which is cool, and this is what makes it so portable, is that it can fit inside the KettlePot. You can use this as a storage. Even has handles. So let's go ahead. There's the BioLite unit. I'm sure there's a battery that attaches to this. It says, by removing this tag and using this product, you're acknowledging that you have read, understood, and accept the warning. So I'm going to make sure I actually watch the manual before I do this. There is an installation video out there, and I highly recommend everybody watch it. Maybe I'll just put this to the side. Here's the portable grill, I believe. Is this a lid for it? Does that act like a table? It almost looks like. Beautiful. Portable grill. I don't have anything to grill, but I might have to run down to the grocery store later on today and check this out. The actual BioLite unit. We'll have to, there you go, my bad. This is the battery. So it's gonna go in like that. So here's everything unboxed. You got the kettle over there, the portable grill. You even got some fire starter, a bag to carry the kettle, and actually the BioLite unit right here with the battery on the side. Comes with a bag and also a USB light. Now, all that's left is for us to go ahead and put this together and then give it a try. That might be a separate video, that might be this video, I'm just not sure yet.